How to change phone number on Lyft. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change your phone number on Lyft. One thing I want you to know is that you can always change the phone number you used to open your Lyft app in the first step or in the first instance. So how do you change this phone number? The first thing to do is to log in into your like a Lyft app. So once you're on your Lyft app, by the top left corner of the screen, you'll see three dashes. Click on it. Then once you click on it, a drop-down menu would appear to you. Then this drop-down menu, you'll see a list of options. That is a list of things that you can do on your Lyft app. For this tutorial, we'll be selecting settings. Settings is next to help and drive with Lyft. That is, it is under help and it is above drive with Lyft. So just select settings. And then once you do that, on the settings page, you would see your name, your email address, your phone number, wheelchair access, etc. But the focus of this tutorial will be would be selecting the phone number. Just click on phone number, and here you can update your number but ensure that whichever number you're updating to is a number where you have access to. This is because a verification code will be sent to this number and you would have to enter the verification code to verify this number. If you do not enter this code, your number would not be changed. So once you're on this page, all you need to do is to click on the box displaying your number and you can go ahead and you can change the number. Just enter the number you want, wait for the code, enter the code, and then the number will be verified. Once it's verified, the number has been changed. So this is how to change your phone number on Lyft. Thanks for watching.